હલો બચ્ચાઓ, કેમ છો તમે? મેં એવું સાંભળ્યું છે કે તમને આ યુનિટમાં ખૂબ જ મજા આવે છે. સો આર યુ રેડી ટુ હેવ મોર ફન એન્ડ એન્જોય મોર? આઈ નો યુ ઓલ આર ઈગર ટુ નો કે આજે આપણે શું કરવાના છીએ. સો તમે બધા રેડી છો ટુ લર્ન સમથિંગ ન્યૂ? અરે કેમ હસો છો તમે મારા ઉપર? હું આ વોકિંગ સ્ટિક લઈને આવી એટલે? અરે જવા દો ને, ગઈકાલે રાત્રે વરસાદના કારણે હું લપસી ગઈ. સો આઈ હેવ ટુ વોક વિથ ધ હેલ્પ ઓફ ધીસ વોકિંગ સ્ટિક. વોટ? યુ વોન્ટ ટુ નો વોટ ઇઝ વોકિંગ સ્ટિક? This is walking stick. When two words or more than two words combine together in English, it is called phrase. So, walking stick is a phrase. So, students, let's see few examples of phrases. Writing table. Writing is one word and table is another word. So, when two words combine together, it is called a phrase. So, writing table is a phrase. Very good. Second example is ink pot. Now, let's see few phrases in sentence. Good luck for your exams. So, good luck for your exams is a sentence. And good luck is the phrase. The second example is my English teacher teaches very well. In this sentence, English teacher is a phrase. Will you have a cup of tea with me? In this sentence, cup of tea is a phrase. Students, તમે તો બધા બહુ હોશિયાર છો. તમને તો phrases એકદમ સરસ રીતે આવડી ગયા. So now we will see the similar activity in your textbook. Open page number 26, activity 4. Activity 4. Listen to the following phrases. Read them aloud. Find out similar phrases from activity 2 and activity 3. Follow the example.
Activity 2. Vinu climbed up a tree. He sat on a branch. He was cutting the same branch. An old man saw the boy.
Oh, Vinu, don't cut that branch. You will fall.
The boy laughed at the old man. He did not follow his advice. He continued to cut the branch. He fell down and broke his leg. Activity 3. Tina lives in a town called Halol. It is surrounded by small villages and it is not far from Vadodara. Last month, Tina visited a village fair near Halol. After a few days, she visited a trade fair in Vadodara. She wrote a letter to her friend Meena, who lives in Bhuj.
Halol, 25th July 2014. Dear Meena, thank you for your letter of 15th July. I was happy to read about your visit to Dholavira. I visited 2 different fairs last month and I want to tell you about them. First, I visited a village fair between Halol and Pavagadh. We went there in an auto rickshaw. There were 2 small temples outside a small village. I went there with my parents. We reached there in the evening. The open ground between the 2 temples was full of people. There were many shops, toy shops, sweet shops, and a colorful bazaar of household items. Some children were standing in front of a toy shop. They were looking at a small plane. The shopkeeper was showing them the plane. The children laughed with joy and clapped loudly. We also saw a merry-go-round and a giant wheel. The merry-go-round was quite small, but the giant wheel was really huge. The place was full of noise. There were many loudspeakers playing filmy songs. There were many children in the giant wheel. They were shouting in excitement. We saw a juggler too. He was playing with 5 balls and was keeping all of them in the air. It was wonderful. After some days, we visited a trade fair in Vadodara. It was a school trip. We went there on a Sunday. We went by a bus. There was no entry fee. The whole ground was full of large stalls. There were many stalls of electronic goods like TV, VCR, and music systems. The girls on the counters were well dressed. They were answering the questions of visitors with a smile. There was another row of stalls for things like fridge and washing machines. One salesman was demonstrating the use of mixer grinder. 2 young women were asking him some questions. We went round, saw everything. At the other end of the fair, there were some fast food stalls. My friends ordered pizza and I ordered a glass of lassi. We sat down for a while and savored the food. There were a couple of sweet shops, but we did not buy any sweets. We came back in the evening. Okay, I will stop now. Convey my regards to your parents. Yours sincerely, Tina.
સો સ્ટુડન્ટ્સ, હવે તમને ખ્યાલ આવી ગયો ને કે આ ફ્રેઝીસ આપણે ક્યાંથી શોધવાના છે? ફ્રોમ એક્ટિવિટી 2 એન્ડ એક્ટિવિટી 3. So now let's see one example. First example is came back from Amreli. અને એના રિલેટેડ જે એક્ઝામ્પલ આપણે લેટરમાંથી શોધવાનો છે એ છે came back in the evening. So in this example, in 2 sentences, you can see the similar phrase. Came back from Amreli and came back in the evening. Students, હવે તમને ખ્યાલ આવી ગયો ને કે એક્ટિવિટી કઈ રીતે કરવાની છે? તો આ રિમેનિંગ ક્વેશ્ચન્સમાંથી તમારે લેટરમાંથી સિમિલર ફ્રેઝીસ શોધવાના છે. રેડી છો બધા? તમારે મદદની જરૂર છે? ઓકે. તમારે આખો લેટર વાંચવાની જરૂર નથી. સ્ક્રીન પર ધ્યાનથી જુઓ. એમાંથી જ તમને તમારો જવાબ મળી જશે. ઓકે સ્ટુડન્ટ્સ, રેડી? સો નાઉ લેટ્સ સ્ટાર્ટ. The second question is fell down from the giant wheel. Now everybody look at the screen. Very good. The correct answer is
fell down and broke his leg.
now the third one, looking at the birds. Yes, the correct answer is looking at a small plane. The fourth one is laughed at my friend. Very good. The correct answer is
Laughed at the old man.
the fifth is a couple of days. Very good. The correct answer is a couple of sweet shops. The sixth one is end of the movie. Very good. The correct answer is end of the fair. The seventh one is full of water. Yes, the correct answer is full of people and full of large stalls. There are two similar phrases for this question. The eighth one is climb up the hill. Yes, very good. The correct answer is climb up the tree. The ninth one, row of trees. Very good. The answer is row of stalls. The 10th one is sat down on the road. Very good. The correct answer is sat down for a while, and the second is sat on a branch. So here also there are two phrases. Students, now let's solve the next activity. It is based on true and false. Mark T for true or F for false in the brackets against each. The first one is Tina visited Dholavira. Yes, Meena visited Dholavira. Everybody write down F in your textbook. Now the next question. Meena visited the trade fair in March 2014. Yes, the correct answer is Tina visited the trade fair in June 2014. Has everybody written F in the bracket? Now the next one. Meena visited the village fair with her parents. Is this sentence true or false? Yes, this is a false sentence. Now what will be the correct answer? Tina visited the village fair with her parents. Now the fourth one. The trade fair was in Halol. Very good. The trade fair was in Vadodara. Have you written F in the bracket? Okay. Now the last one. Meena ate jalebis. Yes, the correct answer is Tina had glass of lassi, not jalebis. Have you written F in the bracket? Students, आज activity 4 માં આપણે similar phrases અને true or false solve કર્યા. I hope તમે તમારી textbook માં correct answers લખી લીધા હશે. Till then, okay students, bye.